Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to share a delicious and easy recipe for pasta salad. To start, cook your favorite pasta according to the package instructions. Any shape will work just fine. While the pasta is boiling, let's prepare the dressing by combining mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, red wine vinegar, salt, and pepper. Whisk everything together until well blended, and set it aside. Once the pasta is al dente, drain it, rinse it with cold water, and transfer it to a large mixing bowl. Now, let's add some colorful vegetables like cherry tomatoes, cucumber, bell peppers, and red onions. Feel free to choose your favorites. To enhance the flavor, we're going to throw in some dried shrimp, shredded cheese, and chopped fresh herbs like basil or parsley. Gently toss everything together until well combined. Make sure all the pasta is coated with the dressing. Finally, season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste and give it a final mix. For an extra zing, consider adding some sliced olives, a sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese, or a squeeze of lemon juice. There you have it, a refreshing and easy pasta salad that's perfect for picnics, potlucks, or a quick weeknight dinner. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Afsan Farm's Kitchen. Associated with Afsan Farm Media Production.